Hello everyone, it's a sad day today for our country. Yesterday, 4th of August, our country was hit with a lot of rain. So the northern part of the country is completely flooded. A lot of people needed to be rescued with the helicopters and stuff, so it's really sad. So yesterday I was here in the evening at this river. And now it looks like that. So yesterday was a little bit low, still it didn't go over. As you can see, here is already going over. Yesterday I was walking here, so it wasn't water to here, but today is already here. It's still raining. I can see I have my umbrella. It's still raining. I didn't go check the other river yet. We're gonna do that now. Yeah, this video is just to show you what can nature do. This kind of stuff. It's still raining. They say it's gonna rain more, like it should stop today, but as I was looking at the satellite and our weather forecast, it doesn't look good. So yeah, we're going to go now check that other start of the river Krka. This is the river Poltarca, if you want to know how it's called. So we're going to check that out right now. Down there is also this river is going over. The good part of this part is there are no houses here, but in the northern part I did go to the northern part yesterday in the morning, so I will show you a clip when I was driving on the bad roads. So you can see there's a lot of water here. As you can see, it's already going over. Here's also some equipment there. I hope it doesn't take it. So you can see down there, it wasn't so high yesterday. So let's go to the other side. So this is the same river still. It has multiple starts. So let's see in there. There is one. As you can see, it's coming from the rocks. I hope you can see it. And there is another one. Here is also a fallen tree. I need to be careful. Okay, it's slippery also. Yeah, it's a lot of water. You can see fallen tree. Yeah. Usually here is not that much water. You can cross on the middle, but today it also, the water did do damage to this tree. It wasn't because of the wind. We didn't have any wind. It was just rain. So now we are going to go to the next river. So we're walking to another river. It takes about 5 minutes from the first one. I can already hear it, so we will see how that looks. So we are approaching it, as you can see. I don't think it's still that high, but it's coming from the cave. Yeah, it's still not coming from the cave. That might change afternoon. Yeah, probably it's gonna change afternoon. Here is usually, you can walk down there and the river is starting around down there. So yeah. Yeah, it's still not going through yeah, it's still not going through the cave. The cave is up there. So yeah, still not going through. Okay, it's not that much water right now, but that could change in really fast. That can change really fast. So yeah, I'm gonna set up a camera here. Maybe do a video for, I don't know, for ASMR, and then as you can see everywhere it's coming water outside the rock. You see, yeah. And then I'm going to go back. Maybe I will be back later today. We'll see.